India continues under a lockdown. It is day 60 of the lockdown. 2 months of continuous lockdown for the country. I am standing in Connaught Place, one of the main markets of New Delhi in India. It is still by and large vacant. You can see largely the birds have taken over the market. Still, most people are not stepping out into the market areas. In phase 4 of the lockdown, the government decided to open up a little bit. Shops are allowed to open on an odd even basis. But you can see, even though some shops are open, but there are hardly any people who are buying anything. Very few people are stepping out of their houses. It seems the fear of the coronavirus or the COVID-19 pandemic has gone deep-seated in the minds of people. On one hand, the lockdown should have controlled and contained the coronavirus. Neither has the lockdown contained the coronavirus. There are still over 1.25 lakh corona positive cases. For a 1.3 billion population, that is still a small number. The number of deaths are below 4,000. But the economy has taken a huge hit. In phase 4 of the lockdown, the government wanted to open up the economy. But all through the 60 days, the communication was such that people have become mortally fearful of the virus. Today, very few people are stepping out. On an average day like this, Connaught Place should have been full of people. But today, it's really still the birds which have taken over Connaught Place. Thanks to the lockdown, the economy took a bad hit. Now some experts are saying the cure has been more expensive than the disease. Even the Niti Aayog says up to 80,000 deaths have been averted thanks to the 60-day lockdown. But ultimately, the economy has taken a huge hit. On day 60 of the lockdown, on May 23rd, 2020, in Connaught Place, the main market for New Delhi, in India, Palav Bagla,